Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and tonight I'm having mac and cheese with some bacon pieces, real bacon, and some of those fried crispy onions. The bacon and the onions came from the salad kit, and the mac and cheese came from a mac and cheese box. But I decided to put a little bit of, I ended up putting all of the bacon in because it didn't shake out of the bag very well, and then it just sent the last big clump in there. So all the bacon's in there, and then I was able to finally sprinkle just a little bit of the crispy onions on there, which were all in tiny pieces. So yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner. I'm having bacon mac and cheese, basically, with a little crispy onions. Oh, and I have 2 cherry tomatoes. So, because I snacked on a whole, handful of them while I was waiting for this to make the noodles. And, of course, it was made in the rice cooker. So, that is my rice cooker dish. One of 2 that I have. Because when my first rice cooker broke, they just told me to cut the cord on it and throw it out. So I kept the container and the lid that went with it. So I now can swap out the bowls and stuff like that. So anyways, that's just a little bit of information that I have there for you. But that is my dinner for tonight, and it looks delicious. It smells really good. And I'm going to say have a great night or day, depending on when you watch this. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Now I'm going to go eat. See you next time. Bye for now.